What are people searching for on Pinterest this week? Well, I'm back with the latest Pinterest trends. And this week, Pinterest collected insights around the theme It's a Party, because it's party time on Pinterest this week. People on Pinterest are finding fun ways to party. So, what's behind the trends? Pinterest is a place to look forward. In fact, more than 463 million people use Pinterest to find tomorrow's ideas. By observing current trends on Pinterest, we can glean valuable insights into what may trend elsewhere in the near future. And each week, Pinterest predicts weekly highlights, actionable search trends among Pinterest users across categories, regions, and demographic groups. And all of these search inquiries link to trends.pinterest.com, where you can discover insights and create campaigns around popular search queries like these. It's a party. This week, people on Pinterest are finding fun ways to celebrate and party. In the moment spotlight, birthday searches are up for celebrating summer birthdays with parties and gifts. There's been a 145% increase in men's birthday party ideas, a 120% increase in pink adult birthday party, 85% increase in mermaid birthday party food ideas, a 75% increase in minimalist birthday cake, and a 50% increase in birthday gift for husband. Regional trends. We are feeding a crowd in the regions. Across every region, party foods are totally trending. In the Midwest, people are getting together with their favorite snacks. The over index searches by Pinterest users in the Midwest versus the rest of the US over the last 3 weeks, there has been a 2 times increase in party side dishes, a 2 times increase in family reunion food ideas, 155% increase in cold appetizers for party, and 135% increase in pool party snacks. Now, in the Northeast, people are taking festive parties outside, over indexing searches by Pinterest users in the Northeast versus the rest of the US over the last 3 weeks. There's been a 170% increase in summer charcuterie boards, a 165% increase in bridal shower cake, a 155% increase in summer desserts for a crowd, and a 125% increase in luau party food. Well, what about people in the West? They are trying new recipes from global cuisines, over indexing searches by Pinterest users in the Midwest versus the rest of the US over the last 3 weeks. There's been a 145% increase in barbecue side dishes for a crowd, a 130% increase in Mexican appetizers, a 130% increase in Italian dinner party, and a 120% increase in birthday dinner ideas. Now, in the Southeast, finger foods and fun cakes are trending, so go grab a slice. Over indexing searches by Pinterest users in the Southwest versus the rest of the US over the last 3 weeks, there's been an 145% increase in preppy birthday cake, a 140% increase in party finger foods, 125% increase in pool party cake, and a 120% increase in strawberry birthday cake. Pinterest predicts trend the YOLO years. Pinterest has called it again, as always. Playing off of YOLO years on the Pinterest predicts annual trend, searches are up for decade specific celebrations. In the last 3 weeks, compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been an 80% increase in theme party ideas for adults, a 60% increase in outfits for 60-year-old women, a 35% increase in 40th birthday ideas for women decoration, and a 35% increase in 50 birthday ideas for men. Growing trend, a theme for the occasion. On Pinterest, people are searching for ways to turn trends into parties. Growing search terms in the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks. There has been a 155% increase in Shark Week party, a 40% increase in first birthday party themes, a 30% increase in Western theme party food, a 30% increase in candy theme birthday party, and a 25% increase in 2000s theme birthday party outfit. Pinterest's featured board this week is Outdoor Party. Get inspired for a summer soiree of your own. Throw the perfect outdoor party. You can find Pinterest's board and all of the information I covered, as well as Pinterest's actual report that you can read for yourself on my blog at jenvasquezcoach.com, or just click the link below. Have a great day.